With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, the question given is which of the following is or are incorrect statements about the observation of Darwin and Hugo de Vries. So Charles Darwin, we know that he is a famous scientist who put forward the theory of natural selection in case of evolution. And Hugo de Vries, he was another Dutch botanist. He proposed the theory of mutation. So Hugo de Vries is another scientist who worked along with Darwin and he proposed the theory of mutation. Now let us see the options. The first option given is Darwin clearly set forth the concept of natural selection as the mechanism of evolution. So he said that the selection of species that happen because of the environmental variations and the species which cannot adapt, they become eliminated, and the species which have advantages, they survive, and they are selected by nature to survive and propagate in those areas. So this is, and Hugo de Vries, he gave the mutation theory. He said that evolution occurs due to sudden random changes, which he termed as mutations. So he termed mutations as sudden variations and said that mutations were responsible for evolution. So this first statement, then it is a true statement. Now, if we see the next statement, Darwin emphasized the adaptive radiation of nature and de Vries stressed on its randomness. So Darwin, he said that an organism which has descended from a common ancestor, they can get separated due to geographical locations and they can develop different characters and different behaviors which are based on the environment. And Hugo de Vries, he said that these changes that are developed in an organism, they are random and they are not predetermined. So this is a true statement again. The third statement is Hugo de Vries, he said that variations are small and directional, while Darwin said that they are random and directionless. So this becomes a small statement because Darwin, he said that these variations which caused evolutions, they were minute, that is, they were very small, and these variations, they were predetermined, that is, they were directional, they followed a set pattern. While Hugo de Vries, he opposed this idea and he said that mutations, they were completely random and we couldn't ever predict the course of evolution. So what has happened in the future couldn't be predicted, and what will happen in the future, what will happen to nature and what will happen to the mutations of organisms cannot be predicted. So this was his theory, and thus this third statement, this is a wrong statement because this is just the opposite. He said that they were large variations and they were directionless. So this is a false statement and Darwin said the opposite. While the last statement, evolution of Darwin was gradual, yes, this is true. He said that these variations, which were observed, they were continuous, so they were going on for a long, long time. While de Vries, he believed that mutations were large and they were drastic, and hence he called it saltation. So saltation, why? Because he called it a single step mutation where the variation were drastic and random and directionless. So thus this is known as saltation. So it is again a true statement. So the only incorrect statement here is the third statement, that Hugo de Vries, he said that variations were large and directionless, and Darwin said the directions were minute and directional. So this is the right option for this question. I hope this solves your doubt. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.